Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 1000 amp 9 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit has been tested, checked out here at Lanco's in good working condition. We'll power it up here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Very good working condition, very clean. It does come with a digital programmable remote. We'll take a look at that here. It does have timer, ramp, amp hour, all the fun stuff. Overall dimensions 27 inches long by 32 inches wide by 60 inches high. We'll now start it up for you so you can see and hear it go. See the amps and the volts climbing. Very subtle O-scope wave there. Very nice quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.